Today, guys, we're going to kind of give you an idea of how the water reclaim unit works. 55-gallon drum runs off of a 110 unit. At this point in the ball game, we pressure wash a lot of the buildings. You get a lot of paint, a lot of dirt, a lot of debris that comes off of them. You want to keep that water from going into your drainage system. So what we need to do is we build a barricade around the area that the water's coming off the roof. This is made up of several different parts of the unit. Has a water reclaim unit you put down at the peak, I guess the area where the water gathers the most. What it does at that point, it sucks from that point into the drum, and once the drum gets to a capacity of so much, at that point you have to get the water out of the drum. So we take it and we pump in from here into a bigger tank that will eventually let us either reuse the water at a different location, or we can dispose of it at a safe zone to where the water is contaminated. We don't need it. Here at Harrison Contracting, we do a great job as far as reclaiming this water. We do not want it to contaminate our streams and rivers and everything with the paint and the debris that comes off of them. So very, very safe practice, very practical, and it's used kind of nationwide now as a safety precaution for the wildlife. So at this point, it's very important to make this happen.
Just completed our 2017 Safety Day, a training day that we pull in all of the company. This year we pulled in the Tampa office as well. Everyone comes to this office, we shut down field production, we pull everyone in for the purpose of training safety. At Harrison Contracting, we take it very serious. It's part of our professional image. We want our employees to be safe, to produce safe work, and most of all, no one gets hurt and goes home to their loved ones every day. This year, we had some fantastic guests. We had the Villa Rica Fire Department came and did some fire extinguisher training with some live fire. Always exciting, get everyone out and interacting, get to put out a fire. They also trained some first aid, a lot of good instruction in that area. We also were very fortunate. We had the Villa Rica Fire Department. Sergeant Hunter Etheridge came and spoke about driver safety, a very good section on distracted driving, and he talked about DUI, and we had a fantastic demonstration as well. Driving a golf cart through the cones was very interactive, and everyone loved it. We always try to make Safety Day interactive, as interesting as possible. Sometimes it's some dry topic, but we got to get through it, we got to do it, we got to produce. So safety is always a dance with production. It has to work hand in hand. They go together. So we just had a great day. Some good food at lunch, good fellowship, people coming together with a common goal, and we had a great day.